Windows is one of the most stable operating systems around to use, but Windows apps can sometimes crash, causing problems. My name is Yadullah. You're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video, we're talking about the Microsoft Store error code 0x80070424, which, as you can guess by the name, is not the easiest thing to fix. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to check a couple of services to make sure that they're running properly. To do this, press the Start menu and search for Services. As you can see, it's right there. We're going to click it. And then the Services app will open with all of the services that are currently running or installed on your system. Now, what we're going to do here is the first thing that I'm going to check is the Background Intelligent Transfer Service, or the BITS service. Just expand the name so you can see it fine. We have to make sure the service is running and is set to automatic. So if I double click it, as you can see, it's set to automatic start and the service is currently running. So we're good on that front. Also go on to the log on tab and make sure that this is logging on as a local system account. Go ahead and click OK. The next service we're going to look for is the DCOM server process launcher, which is right here. Once again, double click it, make sure that the startup type is automatic and that the service is running. All of this will mostly be grayed out in your case, but just in case it doesn't, go ahead and give it a check. Next service is the remote procedural call service. So let me just search for it. Remote access, remote procedural call, or the RPC service. Once again, let me double click this, and as you can see, startup type is automatic and the service is running. Then we're going to check the Windows Defender Firewall. Double click this. As you can see, services startup type is automatic and the service is running. And finally, we're going to check the Windows Update service, which should be right here. Double click this. So as you can see, the startup for this is set to manual and the service is actually running. So what we can do is we can go ahead and set this to automatic and make sure the service is running. What this does is that it makes sure that Windows Update can find the updates that your system needs and install them, just so all of your Microsoft apps and your Windows itself are up to date as soon as you get an update. Once you've made sure all of these services are running and proper, make sure you save any changes, restart your system, and then try again. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter just to find any problems with Windows Update that you might have. Remember that this is a Microsoft service that we're dealing with, and having Windows Update running properly is essential to making sure your Windows and your services and your Microsoft apps are running properly. Now to do this, just press the Start menu and search for Troubleshoot Settings. First option right there. In here, I'm going to click on Other Troubleshooters, and you should be able to see the Windows Update service right here. So go ahead and click on Run to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. This will find any and all problems that you might have with Windows Update on your system, resolve them, and then you can go ahead and update your PC, hopefully to fix the problem. Last but not least, if you've made it this far in the video and you still haven't been able to fix the problem, chances are that there is some sort of a corrupt file or corrupt system process that's causing this problem. To fix this, we can quickly search for the command prompt. And then we're going to run the sfc/scan now command. What this does is that it scans your system for any corrupt or damaged files and it gives you the results so you know what to fix, and in some cases can also fix the problems itself. Alternatively, you can run the DISM/restore health command, which will fix any of the problems that SFC detects. And that's it. That's how easily you should be able to fix the error code with Microsoft Store. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such content can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology. Follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.